Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Be Gorgeous with Anna D. This video is about Hibiscus face pack, which is useful for anti-aging and anti-blemish, as in it will remove your acne scars and pimple marks and wrinkles, etc, etc. My friends and my subscribers are continuously messaging me to make skincare videos, so I've been doing all sun shoots. Because of that I am so much tan, so that's why I thought of making face pack videos which you can make at home and get your glow back. So that's why I've been making skincare videos. Recently I posted a video which was tan removal pack, and I never did continuously repeatedly skincare videos, but I'm gonna make it as a series, as in I'm gonna make only skincare videos, and after that I'm gonna change my topic of the videos. So I hope you all will enjoy it. So without further ado, let's just jump into this video. So for this pack you're gonna need hibiscus powder, which you can buy online, or else you can just dry the flowers and powder it in the mixer, yogurt, aloe vera gel and organic turmeric. I will link everything in the description bar. For the pack you're gonna take 1 to 2 spoons of hibiscus powder and add half a spoon turmeric in it, then 1 spoon aloe vera gel and 1 spoon yogurt. You're gonna mix all the things together very nicely for a smooth paste for our face pack. You can add more yogurt if the pack is thicker in consistency. I have added a little, and then we are done. So as I tell you always, first thing you have to do is tie your hair up in a ponytail and wear an old t-shirt to avoid any stains on your new clothes. So start applying the mask the way you want. I apply it with a brush. This pack is a little watery, so you should use it with a brush, and I am looking so funny, so I just laughed after looking at my face. So hibiscus contains lactic acid and natural hydroxyl acid, which helps exfoliate and hydrate our skin. Lactic acid helps to avoid premature skin aging, and it also contains zinc, which helps to lighten our blemishes and scars of the pimples. Turmeric, I told you in the last video as well, it helps in getting our glow and luster to our skin. Yogurt naturally reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It also dissolves the dead skin and tighten the pores. Aloe vera gel make our skin look smoother.
That's why I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause winning is a habit, and I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer.
Once you're done applying the face mask on your face, you're gonna keep it for 30 minutes or until it gets dried up fully, and after that you're gonna wash it out with normal water. Just massage, gently exfoliate, and then wash it out and rinse it out with normal water. Now you can see the glow on my face. I've got my glow back. I'm gonna apply Nika avocado oil on my face as a moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer. I'm applying this because I have got acne, because I'm suffering from PCOD, so I've got acne on my jawline. So I'm using this oil. This oil is very much beneficial for acne prone skin.
Out from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible.
So guys, we are done with this video, and I believe you all have liked it, and if you have liked it, then please give me a big fat thumbs up. This face pack is a very beneficial for all skin type people, and this is an anti-blemish and anti-aging face pack and totally organic, so everyone can use it. There is no harm using it. All sensitive skin type people, oily combination, all skin type people can use this face pack. So I hope you all have liked it, and if you have, then please give me a big fat thumbs up. I'm saying this again, give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and make sure you press the bell icon as well to be notified whenever I put new video. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, bye bye, tada, see you.